Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are starting series 2 of my Bash Your Stash. So I'm going to be making the kit today and then stay tuned to see what I use this kit for. So I do have a couple of things in the container already. I just have some white 12x12 cardstock. I would like to make more layouts with this kit. I have the cut file that was from the last kit that I never got to use, unfortunately. Then I have these stickers that I also didn't use from the last kit. These stickers that I didn't finish. These stickers that I didn't finish. These that I didn't finish. And this that I didn't finish. The paper. So I'm going to go through my entire stash of 12x12 paper. There is a few hundred sheets here and I'm going to be picking my papers and basically what the look of my kit is going to be. So pretty much what's going to happen is if it goes to the left here, I'm not using it. If it goes to the right, I am using it. So let's jump to the music and see what I pick. Okay, we can take a quick overview. I have the Marigold chipboard stickers. I've used a fair bit of this already. And I also have the Heritage chipboard stickers. I've only used one piece. So that's going to go in the kit. So let's take a look. I've got some craft paper, this Heritage sheet, this one here, this one, a nice black acetate. This is from Magical Forest, Magical Forest, Magical Forest, Magical Forest. As you can see, I'm kind of going with more of a vintagey tone with this one. I just think it's going to look really cute, pulling in all of those darker tones, considering I worked with such a light kit last time. So this is a Lizzy acetate sheet, just 2 pink plain crafts. This is the Gather Symphony one. I just love the blue. It's just a gold craft that was in my stash. I'm not going to use that side, but I like the blue, so I'm going to push myself to use those. And then these are the ones that I grabbed out of the Maggie Holmes one. So yeah, I'm kind of wanting to push myself to go with that more grungy tone this time. So like I said, going with a lot more of a grungier tone this time. There's a quick overview of the colours that I'll be working with. Some nice dark pinks, light pinks, darker colours. That's going to go in the kit. I do have the Ephemera from Marigold. This is the floral ephemera, so I'm going to keep this in its packet and put it in my ephemera bag. I'm also going to try to use more of these frames from my old kit as well. This was just a random word that I found on the floor. It says celebrate, so why not? So because I started working with marigold as soon as I got it and then stopped after about 2 days, it's kind of already in a hodgepodge. So I'm just going to go through this container here, and this side is going to be keep, this side is going to be no. So all of these are going to go into the baggie now. That isn't all the ephemera I have. I have this container. So I'm going to go through, they are sorted, so I know that like this won't work because this is like my sunny day summery stuff. This is like fresh bouquet kind of lighter colors. These are reject store collections. This is what I want to go through, and this is what I want to go through. Lucky last stickers. I'm going to do this really fast. So the kit is looking very chunky, and I just want to quickly see if I have any ribbon that will work with this kit. So there's this one here that I will try to use up. I think those colors will work nicely. This one here, which is just a strip that I have. I'm going to bring this one over again because I have so much of it. And I think it looks cute with the kit as well. And I can also see this washi that I have. So here is my kit. It's very chunky, very big, lots of stuff for me to make, lots of projects. My goal for this one is going to be, I think, 60 projects, which is a lot. I'm hoping to get about 5 layouts done with this one. So stay tuned to see what I make, and I hope you enjoy Bash Your Stash Series 2. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!